Imagine a place where emerald mountains meet the deep blue sea. Welcome to Kodiak, Alaska. Known as the Emerald Isle, Kodiak is the second largest island in the US, yet it feels intimate and wild. Here, adventure is a way of life, and nature's raw power is everywhere you look. Forget crowded tourist traps. Kodiak's attractions are carved by glaciers and painted by the seasons. The fishing boats in the harbor are the community's lifeblood, and trails lead to untouched wilderness. Stand on a quiet beach, listen to the waves and eagles, and feel a profound connection to the world. Kodiak offers a rare chance to disconnect from modern noise and reconnect with nature's purity. From the world's largest bears to abundant marine life, this is a place that leaves you speechless. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Kodiak invites you to experience Alaska's Emerald Isle. This is your invitation. Come explore. Kodiak's wild beauty is protected in its parks and refuges. The Kodiak National Wildlife Refuge spans nearly 2/3 of the island, safeguarding the legendary Kodiak bear. Explore Fort Abercrombie State Historical Park, where rainforest trails lead to dramatic coastlines and muiuiuparu bunkers. With over 1,000 miles of shoreline, Kodiak's beaches and cliffs are teeming with life. Tide pools, sea stars, and crabs await discovery. The entire island feels like a natural reserve. Breathtaking scenery is never far away. Secluded bays, mountain trails, and hidden lakes are just a short drive from town. Passagshock Bay offers wide, sandy beaches and stunning views. Wilderness isn't something you seek out here. It's everywhere, inviting you to explore. Kodiak's parks are your gateway to adventure. Kodiak is home to the world's largest brown bears. Seeing one in the wild is unforgettable. The best viewing is during summer salmon runs in the Kodiak National Wildlife Refuge. Guided floatplane trips take you to remote camps for safe, respectful bear encounters. Kodiak's wildlife extends to the sea. Spot humpback whales breaching, orcas slicing through waves, and playful sea otters. Stellar sea lions bask on rocky outcrops, while bald eagles soar overhead. Birdwatchers can spot over 240 species, including charismatic puffins on the cliffs. Every shoreline walk reveals new wildlife wonders. Kodiak is a thriving ecosystem, from the sea to the sky. Here, every moment is a chance to witness nature's spectacle. Kodiak begs to be explored. Its hiking trails suit every adventurer. Stroll Fort Abercrombie's forested paths or climb Barometer Mountain for panoramic island views. Fishing is a way of life here. Cast for salmon in rivers or giant halibut in the ocean. Local guides can set you up for legendary fishing experiences. Kayak sheltered bays for close encounters with otters and seabirds, or take a boat tour to remote fjords and wildlife hotspots. Surf at Fossil Beach, bike along tidal flats, or cross-country ski in winter. Kodiak's natural arena is perfect for every passion. Adventure is everywhere. Step outside your comfort zone. Create memories that last a lifetime on Alaska's Emerald Isle. The spirit of exploration thrives here. Kodiak's story is as rich as its landscape. The Alutiiq people have called this island home for over 7,500 years. Visit the Alutiiq Museum to experience their living culture. Russian fur traders arrived in the 18th century, leaving their mark in landmarks like the Holy Resurrection Russian Orthodox Cathedral. Explore the Kodiak History Museum, housed in Alaska's oldest Russian-built structure, to trace the island's layered past. Kodiak's fishing industry is the heart of the community. Feel its energy at the bustling harbor. Today, Kodiak blends Alutiiq, Russian, and American influences into a vibrant, welcoming town. Friendly locals are proud to share their home and heritage. This cultural tapestry is as rewarding as the island's wild landscapes. Experience Kodiak's unique blend of tradition and adventure. Here, history and nature go hand in hand.